Hey everybody, this your boy from Tim Can Fix It, man. Today I'm gonna be working on a 2500 psi Homelite 2.3 GPM pressure washer. So this pressure washer is having some issues with the pump. I can't get any pressure to build up when I actually pull the trigger. When I actually pull the trigger, I'm not getting any water pressure to come through the actual nozzle when I pull the trigger. I checked the regulator on it. I checked all the lines. I bought a new gun. I bought a new hose. I was trying to confirm I didn't have any blockage in there. So what I actually did is I acquired another Homelite that has a pump on it right here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this pump off and transfer it to my unit that I'm having an issue with the pump. Now the only thing you're going to need is a 13 millimeter wrench. And then when you get that wrench, I'm going to break all the studs on it. And then what I'm going to do is swap them out. And then I'll show you guys once I swap them out, if it actually works, then you guys will know you can either go to maybe find some salvage pressure washers and get the pump and try it out, or you can order a new one. And if you get you a new one, you just swap them out and that'll resolve your issues with the pressure. Once I remove all the bolts from these areas here, as you can see, let me kind of move the camera around. As I remove all the bolts, the 4 bolts, you basically slide the pump off, which actually sits on a brace. Now keeping in mind there's a little slot right here. There's a little slot. So when you take if you look inside your new pump, there's a slot inside there. So once I remove it off my other pressure washer, then we'll put it back on, give it a test run, and see what actually happens. So once I put the new pump on, as y'all can see, I had it started a second ago and it's blowing all the water out. So problem solved. Make sure y'all subscribe. Simple as that.